The Contessa 26 is one of the most respected offshore pocket cruisers ever built. Designed in Britain for open ocean sailing, every inch prioritizes seaworthiness over comfort. Its legend was sealed during the catastrophic 1979 Fastnet race storm. Many larger yachts were abandoned or lost, but Contessa 26 boats survived, some even finishing the race. Inside, space is minimal. Low headroom, compact berths, tight galley, because this boat was built for survival, not marina living. Today, used Contessa 26s typically sell between $18,000 and $35,000, making true ocean-capable sailing accessible to determined